some owls out here hooting. I'm going to hoot, see if they hoot back. I've been successful doing that before, so I'm going to try it now. Hoo, 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 hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but there are owls hooting back at me. You might be able to hear them on the recording. Look. Hear it? That pretty scenery over there, those gorgeous leaves. Of course, once they figure out you're not an owl, sometimes they stop hooting once they figure out you're not an owl. Really pretty out here. It's almost sunset. We're right at sunset, pretty much. There's some gorgeous, gorgeous. See? There's some gorgeous scenery out here. Beautiful fall leaves. Leaves have changed colors. I mean, it's late fall. You might be able to hear those owls. They're not too far away either. See that cardinal? That was a cardinal, brown cardinal with a red head. You hear them? Hear the owls? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, there's a red cardinal. You saw a brown cardinal? There's a red cardinal right over here. There's the brown one right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's in that tree. There it is. See it flying up? See it moving around? There was a red one right over there. Brilliant, bright red cardinal.